letting the hens dry after they have defrosted. Salt your hen generously and don't rub it like I did, just pat it gently or else you might ruin the skin. Don't forget to salt the cavity of your hen or else your hen will smell a lot like hen. Okay, seriously, do not manhandle the chicken because the skin will definitely break. In a bowl or Ziploc bag, coat your hen with yogurt. Again, gently. While the oven is preheating, it is time to start prepping the veggies. First, wash your veggies. Potatoes and carrots are root veggies, so they may contain lots of dirt. Make sure to scrub them carefully. Once the veggies are washed, chop them into 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly. Have all the veggies chopped, add the oil and seasoning. Mix the veggies evenly and break apart any clumps of onions. For easy cleaning, line your trays with foil, then spread the veggies out evenly. And now sprinkle the veggies with salt. Make sure to not have them in the same location, otherwise you'll have clumps of salty veggies everywhere. Gently wipe off the yogurt without being obsessive. And don't forget the pan. Remember to get the inside of the hen as well as the wings. Make sure the thighs are facing the back of the oven and check below for details. Here I've already emptied a bag of pre-washed greens and then proceed to slice onions, dice, and cut dried fruits and roughly chop up some of the nuts. And then when you're done, you can toss them together. Check the description for more detail. If you liked our content, please like and subscribe.